bor baman kisngi awan lam shipi da unang yalam news
Kasorkar kali optiang ke jing ujo na kipat ba halor ka Jingpynlip Light kha Shillong ba Tura na kapenta karibam distribution sector scheme RDSS kumba khandai spa crore ka jing thmu jing ni ka project kalong ban pen klan ni ka jing tan boarding hapo jing ka jala ka Jingpynlip Light kalong ka badon kam na kapenta ka jingpyntrei ye ka transformers ba thamai ka jing bujli ye ki wayar ki program bat ka jing le ki lan ki ba thamai kan pen tikna ka long ka scam bat ka bala ban shania Chief Minister Conrad ke sama ula pendikna ye ka jibom so ka berede bat ula karpat ban yatrai lang bat ban yasha na ka benta ban kentiu ye ka boarding hakisngi ki banwan.
Dear friends, in the recent past I've been receiving some messages from the public concerned about the frequent shutdowns that are taking place in the power supply in different locations like Shillong, Tura DEI Na Ka and other locations. And people are concerned why this kind of load shedding is taking place. I wanted to clarify to the people that this is not a load shedding. This is a regulated shutdown, and the main purpose of the shutdown is to implement the RDSS scheme, where close to 2,600 new transformers are being either replaced or being installed. 3,800 kilometers of old wires are being replaced. 4,300 kilometers of new lines are being laid. This is a 900 crore project and implementation is going on. And for that to happen, the shutdown is necessary. We are ensuring that we minimize it, and we're also ensuring that we communicate to the people. But there is a communication gap where the message is not going to the grassroots. And I have requested MECL and Power Department to ensure that a better communication system is done so that information can reach to the people on time. But I just wanted to clarify that this is a necessary procedure. There will be slight inconvenience, but this is being done for the larger interest of more stable power in the future and for the larger interest of the people and the state. Thank you very much.
Banyo iki kubon baman kisngi subhawan subscribe ka channel unang yalam news kumle shibu